In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off DuckDuckGo email protection. Before we start, here's a quick overview. DuckDuckGo email protection is the feature that lets you use a private email address and strips trackers from messages before they reach your inbox. Turning it off here simply signs you out of the email protection session on your device or browser and stops the autofill of your DuckDuckGo email in forms. It doesn't remove the DuckDuckGo app or the browser extension. It just disables the autofill and ends the active session. First, open the DuckDuckGo privacy browser app if you're on a phone or tablet. If you're on a computer, open the browser where the DuckDuckGo extension is installed and click the DuckDuckGo icon to bring up its panel. The process is the same idea on both. We're heading into Settings to reach the email protection area. Next, go into Settings and look for Email Protection. On mobile, the Settings option is typically behind a gear icon or the menu in the top corner of the DuckDuckGo app. On desktop with the extension, open the extension panel and select the gear to enter Settings. Once you're there, you should see Email Protection listed as its own section. That's where you manage everything related to the private address and autofill. Inside Email Protection, open the Autofill tab. This tab specifically controls whether your DuckDuckGo email address and aliases are suggested in forms. If you're not seeing the Autofill tab immediately, double-check that you're in the Email Protection section and scroll if needed. Interface labels can vary slightly by platform, but Autofill is the key tab you want. At the bottom of the Autofill tab, tap or click Sign Out. This is the action that turns off email protection on this device or browser by removing your active session and stopping autofill in forms. After signing out, your DuckDuckGo email won't appear as a suggestion when you fill out fields, and the session for email protection is closed on this installation. If you see a brief confirmation prompt, just approve it to complete the process. That's it. You've turned off DuckDuckGo email protection for autofill on your current device or browser. If you ever want to bring it back, return to the same email protection area and sign in again from there. And if the Sign Out button seems hidden, try scrolling to the very bottom of the autofill screen to find it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly regain control over your email autofill.